Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Gillette Vector Manual Shaving Razor. Price is 75 rupees. This is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon and on many applications. This is non-sponsored video. Let's see what are they mentioned. Fits all Gillette Ultra and Ultra Plus Vector refills. Made in India. Here is my review. There are two blades in one cartridge. You can buy cartridges separately, means we can get the refills, not other razors getting cartridges. I think this is male razor, but I had decided to try this to shave my legs and hands. Yes, I really like the results, but quite more sharp, so handle it carefully. You can get the cuts. We should be more careful while using male razors because, as you know, they are very sharp. I like that sharpness. I have bought the refills too. I don't shave that much. I don't have problem with my body hairs too much. Yes, just for any occasion like in weddings etc. I like that clean shaved body. I like this razor. You can also try if you want, and please try to share which razors you like the most. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.